How to use Canva by Andrew and Charlie. First, go and press on presentation. I chose presentation. If you chose that, it would look something like this. You can use a template to start. I chose this one. Choose a template that you like. Click on the text to change it, and then you can type. To add text, press the Add a Heading. Then type anything you want to add, like font. Press the search font and search any font like neon gold, and then it'll show up. To add graphics, photos, frames, videos, and a bunch more are in Elements. Search up anything you would like. If you want quizzes, then go to Elements and search up quiz. You can edit the questions by double-clicking it. There's only one you can mark as correct, like this. In order to make your text smaller or bigger, you would have to click on your text, and see those white dots or purple on the corners of the text? You will pull them in or out. You can make it look cool by coloring it by pressing this. It will bring you to the screen and you can choose any. You can make your custom color 3 times for free before you have to pay for another one. You can draw and do many more by clicking the word Tools on the left side. You can also record yourself and input screenshots by pressing Uploads, which is also on the left side. You can change your point of view by doing this. You can have people join your presentation or other if you want to. At the top right corner on your screen, there's a white box that has the word Share inside. Click on it. They can edit, comment, or view. Copy the link and send it to them, or a different way, but it's very complicated and it's too much. You can animate how the screen comes in by pressing Animate. There are so many. I can't even get all of them in one page. And then finally, how to get home. Oh yeah, you have to go to the top left corner of the screen. See those 3 lines up there? Okay, press it and it'll bring you to the menu/home. The end. I hope you enjoyed it. Creators Andrew L. and Charlie N.